Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy on Epson EcoTank L3270. Let's get into it right now. Basically, to copy something on this printer you don't have to connect it to a Wi-Fi network, you just need to make sure you have some paper in the paper tray, the ink tanks are filled, and of course the printer is powered on and there are no flashing or glowing signals on the control panel except of the power indicator and maybe Wi-Fi indicator if the printer is connected. Next, take a page you wish to scan and place it on the scanning surface. So open the lid and put your document facing down and make sure that the top left corner of your document is aligned with the bottom right corner of the scanning surface. You have the arrow pointing to the corner here, so you need to align corners like this and make sure the edges of your document fit snugly with the borders of the scanning surface, and just close the lid. Next, you have two copy buttons on the printer's control panel. The left one is for black and white copy and the right one is for color copy. So press one of these buttons and just wait for the result. If you want to make two-sided copy, you have to do it manually. So take the sheet of paper on which you are printing, turn it upside down and face the white side, and insert in the paper tray in the front of the wall paper stack. And now just place the second page or turn your document in the scanning surface, but for this example let me use just the same page to show you result. So place another page, press the copy button, wait for the paper from here. And now you have perfectly aligned two-sided copy, and that's pretty it. Also, if you have connected your printer to your smartphone and use Epson Smart Panel application, you can control the copy feature of this printer from there. And this is an advanced thing because, let me show you, because here you have some settings. You can set your paper size, media type, print quality, reduce or enlarge your copy, select black and white or color copy over here, select number of copies you wish to make, like this, and once you're done just hit start and your document will be copied just like you pressed the copy button on the printer. And that's everything to know about copying on Epson EcoTank. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us, and be awesome. Bye guys.